How to draw a poster about mobile addiction of children. Let's start it. Start drawing with 2B or HB pencil that you can easily erase on some point. Try this easy poster and don't forget to knock me in the comment section if you try. In this digital internet's world, children are being addicted with the tiny wireless electronic product as known as mobile. It can harm their physical as well as their mental health. It would be more better and delightful if they try to play or reading some books or maybe draw some easy landscape, so on, by shutting down their cell phone. I just tried to express my thought in this topic by my drawing. If you have any suggestion, then comment below. Our drawing is almost complete. Let's get coloring. Color the first background with black, vindictive brown, red as well as vermilion. By the way, all of the colors name you can easily watch on the bottom of the screen. Then apply vindictive brown, yellow orange, pale oranges mix up within hands. Then color pink, light pink and grey, black respectively on the cell phone. Again black and grey. Draw the land with Prussian blue, blue-green, green as well as yellow-green. Don't forget to match them all as you can, cause the blending of colors will make your drawing super attractive and shiny. Draw the shiny sky with copper blue as well as sky blue. Don't forget the yellow and mix with white. Draw the girl's cloth with yellow, orange and yellow. Then draw the boy's robes with purple and lavender. His pants with green and yellow-green. Then draw the house with vindictive brown, brown and yellow ochre. Then outline with a black outliner. Outline hold the objects. Yay, our poster is complete. If you like the tutorial, press like button. Want to watch more? Then subscribe. To watch the previous, click on the I button. Time to bounce. See you in the next video. Ta-da! Stay home, stay safe.